How to refer a friend on Moneybox. Moneybox has a referral program that lets you and your friends earn rewards. It's quick to set up, and all you need is the app. Here's how to find and share your referral link. First, open the Moneybox app and log in securely. From the home screen, tap on the Profile or Settings tab. Look for the option that says Refer a Friend or Invite Friends. Tap on it, and you'll see your unique referral code or link. You can copy the link directly or share it through text, email, or social media. Make sure your friend signs up using your link, so the reward is applied. Once your friend creates their Moneybox account and makes their first deposit, both of you will qualify for the reward. Rewards are usually in the form of a bonus added to your Moneybox account. It may take a few days to appear, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. If you can't find the option, check the app's latest version or visit the Help and Support section. Moneybox sometimes updates promotions, so rewards can vary, and that's it. That's how to refer a friend on Moneybox quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.